Farmers will be marching towards the Parliament complex today in half an hour's time at noon to press for 5 key demands leading to increased security and route diversions in the Delhi NCR region. We're talking about the Bharatiya Kisan Parishad that will press the demand for compensation and benefits under the new agricultural laws. Farmers from 20 districts including Gautam Budh Nagar as well as Bulandshahr, Aligarh and Agra will be part of that march that starts at 12 p.m. near the Mahamaya flyover and will move towards Delhi on foot and on tractors. Gautam Budh Nagar Traffic Police has issued an advisory with alternate routes announcing heavy barricading at the border, especially the border between Delhi and Noida. We're talking about the NCR border here. Warning of potential congestions on key routes. Commuters are advised to use alternate routes and consider using the metro in order to avoid delays. Now, Haryana's Agriculture Minister Shan Singh Rana has slammed the farmers' march to Delhi, arguing that they lack legitimate issues. So, for all our commuters out there, a word of caution that they could be facing delays because of this march that is expected to start in 40 minutes from now at 12 p.m. This is in regard to demands that they want to make. There are long queues of vehicles at the Chilla border and also the Delhi-Noida direct flyover and heavy security deployment, as well as there's a lot of barricading that's been put up by the police. So the Noida police there issuing traffic advisory detailing restrictions and diversions. So for all our viewers who might be wanting to commute on that stretch, you can see, take a look at the visuals of how bad it's getting, and this is not even the start of the protest. That's going to only start at 12 p.m. What are the farmers really demanding? They're demanding 5 demands: the allocation of 10% plots and 64.7% increased compensation under old acquisition law, 4 times the market rate compensation, and 20% plots should be given on the land acquired after the 1st of January 2014. We have my colleague Anushka joining us to get us a sense of what the situation on the ground is like. Anushka, barriers have been put up as far as the Delhi-Noida border is concerned with increased security checking. Which are the areas impacted? How bad is the traffic situation right now? And how long is this protest march likely to continue?
Well, certainly right now we're at the Mahamaya flyover. We'll show you the visuals from here. We can currently see that the police have put up the barricadings here. All the vehicles that are crossing this border are being thoroughly checked, and then only they're allowed to, pass from here. The vehicles going from Chilla border towards Greater Noida have to travel via Sector 14A flyover. The route from D&D border to Delhi has been diverted from the elevated road via Film City flyover in Sector 18, while the vehicles from Kalindi Kunj border are advised to take Mahamaya flyover via Sector 37, and the route from Greater Noida towards Delhi has been diverted via Kalindi Kunj from Charkha roundabout. What we are seeing is the Noida police have hyped up the security around here, because we are seeing right now also that the UP police and the lady police personnel, even 2 JCBs have been deployed here. The farmers have said that in fact they'll be arriving here around 12 p.m. They'll gather at the Mahamaya flyover. From here they will in fact hold the march till the Parliament complex, where they'll press demands for compensation and benefits under the new agricultural laws. Now, farmers from 20 districts are going to be joining this whole protest march. What we saw is that there were several visuals from, where we can see that the D&D is the most impacted road. Also, we can see that the Mahamaya flyover, this is the road that joins 3 routes in fact. This route leads to Chilla border. The second route here leads to Kalindi Kunj, and the third route here leads to, what we are seeing is that the third route routes to, Noida. And all of these roads have been impacted because of the barricadings that have been put on place by the UP police. And also what we are seeing is that the traffic from Delhi is also being impacted because of this, because several vehicles that are crossing from the Kalindi Kunj border are facing heavy traffic jams. Now, the farmers and in fact the, BKP leader has also said that they'll be gathering around 12 in the noon, and from here they'll hold a march till the Parliament complex, so that they'll press the demands. The demands are, there are 5 key demands that they'll be pressing here, and also they have said that the farmers who are childless should be given more compensation also. And what we are also seeing is that, and I'll request my camera person to pan the camera and show you the visuals right now. Also, this is Mahamaya flyover, route that connects, Delhi to Noida. This is a very prominent road. Several vehicles, cross from here on a regular basis. Thousands of vehicles use this road to commute, and what we are are seeing right now is that every vehicle has been thoroughly checked before they are being let to pass from this road. Back to studio.
Right, major demands being made by the farmers there, and of course this protest march that is going to start at 12 o'clock. Anushka, also take us through, when we're talking about the kind of security arrangements that are in place, there are alternate routes that have been advised by the traffic police here in Noida. If you could, for the benefit of our viewers, tell us what are the alternative routes that a commuter could take this morning?
Well, certainly first I'll show you the visuals of the security arrangements that has been made here. We can clearly see, around 50 of police personnel have been deployed at this particular spot. They are all from UP Police, and also lady police personnel have also been deployed. Two-way vehicles have been arranged here, and we can also see that 2 JCBs have been deployed at this particular point. That if the farmers try to enter from this route, they could be stopped here and then and here only. Also, we can see that because of this security arrangement, several routes are facing heavy traffic. Now the traffic police has advised that vehicles that are going from Chilla border towards Greater Noida have to travel via Sector 14A flyover. And the viewers who are listening to this can clearly be said that according to the advisory, the route from DND border to Delhi have been diverted from the elevated road via Film City flyover in Sector 18. Vehicles from Kalindi Kunj border have to take Mahamaya flyover via Sector 37, and routes from Greater Noida towards Delhi have been diverted via Kalindi Kunj from the Charkha roundabout. The farmers have said that they will hold a foot march, and also they'll be bringing tractors with them. They have demanded several things. They have said that children of landless farmers should be given the benefit of employment and rehabilitation. Other demands are for the government orders on the issues passed by the High Power Committee, and proper settlement of the populated area should be done. And also what we are seeing is that the UP police is currently can be seen in action. They are currently holding tight security at several borders that joins Delhi to Noida. Also, we are seeing this is not the first point where this kind of security can be seen. In Chilla border also, Delhi police have arranged for similar security deployments. They have, deployed RAF police personnel over there. Also, barbed wires have been used there. Several barricadings have been, put on place so that if somebody tries to enter from this route, they can be stopped here only. And also, we are showing the visuals that how this is impacting the traffic. The vehicles that are crossing via this route have to go through a thorough check before they can they are led to pass from this road. And also what we are seeing, and when we have talked to the commuters, they have clearly said that they were unaware about this protest, and right now they are facing jam like problems, because right now also we can see the peak hours, people are going from office, people are commuting towards their office. But what we can see is that because of the security deployment, several of the commuters are facing traffic jam situation in Delhi and in Noida. Back to studio.